morning children. My name is Indu. I am a maths faculty. Today our chapter is number system. See here. The father of the number system. Who is the father of the number system? Aryabhatta. Okay. So before I am going to explain you number system, first I have to introduce you what is the number. See, now we are having a number system. So in this number system, what is a number? First you have to know. Later you should know what is the system. So what is a number? So leave it about this number system. This is all. First we will go with the basic concepts. Okay. So our regular life, whenever we'll go to the shop, we'll purchase the chocolate. That chocolate is 5 rupees. Okay. We purchase 5 chocolates. So 5 into 5, 25 rupees. So that is, we'll say that 25 rupees we'll give to the shopkeeper, and we'll say that we'll pay the 25 rupees. No, if that we'll give you 50 rupees, definitely he'll return to the 25 rupees. So these all regular life we are seeing. But now what we are going to learn, ma'am, in this chapter means nothing. First I'll introduce you what is a number. So number is nothing but it's a combination of digits. Ma'am, what is the digit here? So ma'am, you told me that combination of digits. But when we'll go to the number, we should know what is the digit first of all. Digit is nothing but, we know the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like that infinity numbers are there. Am I right or wrong? Like that we have a negative numbers, positive numbers. We'll see, later we'll see what are the positive numbers and negative numbers. First we'll see the digit. So I'll show you here. See, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like that we have a 9, 10. Many numbers we have. Okay. These many numbers are there. In this, which numbers will call it digits means, definitely remember that 0 to 9 only digits. So if you observe, 0 is a single digit, 1 is single digit, 2 is single digit, 3 is single digit. Like that, still 9, you have only one digit. So coming to the 10. If you observe here, it's a combination of 2 digits. So that is called a number. So here only you identify what is the digit, what is the number. Digit is nothing but we'll have only single digit. Ma'am, then we cannot call 0 to 9 as a numbers. Definitely you can call. A single digits you can call it as a numbers also. But when you will see the more than 2 digits, you cannot say that that is a digit. You have to say that that is a number. Number means it will have a single digits also. More than single digit is there means you have to say that that is a number. Okay, fine. Now I'm cleaning this. Now here, then our chapter is number system. Number definition I told you. Then what is the system? So you know that system is nothing but it's a particular proper way will be there. Am I right or wrong? Say for example our daily life. For example, I'm a faculty. So I have to go to the school teaching means wherever I used to go, definitely I have to be a punctual. Here system also. There is a system means it's a punctual proper way will be there. So coming to the maths, what will be there? Nothing. System is nothing but I'll go to the again. We'll go with a number line. So what is the number line? You know that there will be a right side positive numbers will be there. There will be a negative numbers will be there. Okay. You know that this is a number line. On that number line, right side positives, left side negatives and middle 0. So numbers are not only positive numbers. There will be a negative numbers will be there, positive numbers will be there. So it's a combination of numbers. So in these many negatives, positives. So what scientists did, if see, we want to pick a negative number like a minus 1,23,000 from the positives, it's very horrible to select. That's why negative numbers, scientists did that. He separated negative numbers one side, positive numbers is separated one side and 0 is in the middle. But be alert children here. 0 is neither positive nor negative. Ma'am, what is the meaning of that? 0 does not have a plus symbol, does not have a minus symbol. This is wrong. So, always the 0 is only empty. Without symbol, 0 will be there. Ma'am, why like that? Means it's by default they introduced for us. We have to by heart. Okay. So, now I told you that there is a negative number, there is a separate positive numbers are there, negative numbers are there, and 0 is also there. So, now we'll work out on this negative numbers and positive numbers. Okay. Now, coming to this. So, just now I told you here positive numbers are there, negative numbers are there. So, positive and negative numbers are there means positive will be in the one category. Like how best example we only, females are in the one category, males are in the one category. Like the gender separation will be there. Like that what scientists did, it's a infinity numbers with a negative, positive, decimal numbers, these all. That's why he kept, like a scientist kept positive numbers in the one category with a 0 one category and positive negatives in the one category. Like this, every numbers with the signs he separated. That is called a number system. So, in this number system, we have different numbers. Okay. First of all, we are going to see, now we are going to enter into the art chapter. We'll see first concept, what will be there. Now, guys, see here, our natural number, counting numbers are called as natural numbers. It is denoted by a capital N. So, capital N means, here see, my name is Indu. Okay, I have my individuality name. Like that, here first our number system is natural numbers. That natural numbers will denote with a capital N. So, here capital N, then ma'am, just now see, few seconds back only I told you, the scientists, one number system, he kept some numbers like a positive numbers and negative numbers and with a 0. So, in this natural numbers, he introduced 1 to infinity. There is a dot meaning is there is no end. Okay. So, you have to children, you have to remember by heart it. Like our natural numbers always starts from 1 to infinity. Always it is denoted by capital N. See, all of you have to again, once again I am telling you, number system, every number system always denoted with a capital number. So, this is over. After that natural numbers are over. Our next definition is even natural numbers. Guys, previous classes also we learned what is the even numbers. Even numbers is nothing but which is divisible by 2. So, I will show you 4. Okay, divided by 2. We all know that divisions. So, we have to take even numbers only. So, 4 is an even number. According to the definition, it should divide all numbers. All even numbers you have to divide with by 2. So, I am writing as usual. See here, 2 2s are 4. You know that here minus 0. So, 4 is dividing by 2. Like that, when which numbers are dividing, only the rule you have to remember that here 2. Whatever numbers you will take, if that numbers are divided by 2, then only you can say that it's a even number. So, simply I will tell you 2, leave the one number and go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. These all are divisible by 2, like that 12, 14, 16. It's a simply we can say that it's a 2 table. So, that is called a even natural number. Next, we will go with the odd natural numbers. Odd natural numbers means which is not divisible by 2. That is called a odd natural numbers. So, I will show you one example here. So, 3. What they said? Which is not divisible by 2. Once we will check it, is it divisible or not? You know that division. I think children all knows that the division. So, 2 1s are 2. Whenever you are doing a division, you know that you should keep here minus symbol. Division always you will do the subtraction. So, 3 minus 2, 1. See here, in the 2 table 3 is not there. So, 3 is not divisible. Like that, if you see here, which is not divisible means 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These all are not divisible by 2. Like that, you can take any number. If it is divisible by 2, then it's an even number. If it is not divisible by 2, that is an odd number. Now coming to the prime numbers. Prime number is nothing but simply, I'll say that, see, they gave the definition. A natural number is said to be a prime number if it has only two distinct positive divisors, one and itself. Simply, I'll say, what whenever you are going to take a one number, then the number factors one and itself. So, this is a big definition, we don't want. Simply, I'll show you, see. 2. Write the factors. 1 2s are 2. 2 will come into any other table? No. So, what did I say you? Prime number means 1 and itself. See which table we took. This is 1 factor, and 2 is itself. So, if you observe here, every prime number having 2 factors, that is also fixed factors. One is fixed factor. Second one is which number we are taking, the same number should come. This is called a prime number. Now coming to the 4. 4, see how many factors you have? 1 4s are 4, 2 2s are 4. So here if you observe, 1 is a factor, 4 is itself. But I told you that prime number should have only 2 factors. But here 2 is also there. It's not a prime number. Like that you have to check it. So, here ma'am, then what about a 1? 1 is not prime, neither prime. 1 is not a prime number, neither composite number. 1, for example, if you take 1. If you take 1 1 ja. So, I told you that prime number should have a 2 factors, 1 and another is table, which number we are taking, that number should repeat. But here 1 and 1 both are same. So you can consider as a 1 factor only. But we need minimum 2 factors in the prime number. That's why simply I'll say you how I explained you, 0 is neither positive nor negative. 1 is never prime number nor composite number. These few points you have to by heart, children, because every time you can't check it. 1 is prime or not, 1 is composite or not. Simply by heart it. 1 is neither prime nor composite number. Now coming to here, 1 to 100. Simply I'll tell you one thing. 1 to 100. How many prime numbers we have means, see, 1 digit prime numbers we have 2, 3, I'm showing you 5, 7 and here that's it. How many you have? 4. 2 digit prime numbers, how many you have? 1 to 100. Between 1 to 100, 21 numbers you have. 21 numbers. For example, that is I'll show you. See, 11, 13 and 17, 19. Like that you have a still 97. So, you have to by heart this, children. See, suddenly if they'll ask you 1 to 100, how many prime numbers we have? Means overall 21 plus 4, 25 prime numbers we have. Okay. In that they'll ask you how many single digit. That single digit means what? One digit prime numbers means we have 4 and 2 digit prime numbers means we have a 21. Okay. I think clear all of you? Good. Next definition is composite number. So it's a completely opposite to the prime number. That's it. Prime numbers means you should have the number should have a 1 and itself, but composite number more than 2 factors. The best example I gave you in the prime numbers, I'll show you. See here. Example 4. We'll start with the 4. Write the prime number, write the factors. 1 4s are 4. 2 2s are 4. I told you more than 2 factors. So 1 and 4, 2 factors. Here 2 is repeated, you can take 1 time. So I told you repeated numbers means you can take 1 time. So here 1, 4, 2. There are 3 factors are there. How many factors? 3 factors are there. So, now it is called a composite number. See here, 6 is also there. Now I am taking a 6 ma. See, 6. 6, shall we see the factors? Factors is nothing but how many tables this number is coming. You all know that how many numbers are there, how many tables are there. In that, 6 is coming into the which table you have to write. That's it. Start with the 1 table. 1 6 is 6. Now 2 table, check it. 2 3 is 6. 2 3 is 3 2 is the same. No need to write. Same table means oppositely don't write. Now any other table? No. But if you check here, first factor, second factor, third and fourth. So total how many factors we have? 4 factors. So again I am telling you, prime numbers means 2 factors it should have. That is also 1 and itself. Okay. You should not take a new factors. But here composite numbers means 1 and itself number with that other factors also if you have, that is called a composite number.